In this video, I will show you how to remove your password in Windows 10. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop now. What you're going to want to do first is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the search icon down here. Next, in the search box, what you want to do is go ahead and type settings and then click onto settings underneath best match. So once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come to your accounts. So that's this option here. You just want to go ahead and give that a click. And once you're on your accounts, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you're going to see an option which says sign in options. So what you want to do next is click onto this. And this is where we can come to change our password. So you can see here we've got the password option. If you click onto this, you can see currently I've got an account password. It says your account password is all set up to sign in to Windows, apps and services. Now to go ahead and remove this, it's very easy. All you want to do is click onto the change button here. Go ahead and enter your current password and then click next underneath. And what you can do is change it, but if you want to remove your password fully, just leave these fields blank and then click next underneath and then go ahead and click finish. So you'll now see that it says your account doesn't have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign-in options. So that's how to go ahead and remove your password in Windows 10. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.